craziest stuff I have ever had to go through. Why would they ever have a freaking road work in the middle of the bridge in Kentucky over the freaking Mississippi River? Ooh, y'all, I'm so scared. This is something I hate. I do not like bridges, y'all. Ooh, man, I really don't. Oh, man, this is terrible, y'all. Ooh, this is terrible. In the middle of the bridge. It's crazy. I have never in my life had to witness going through freaking construction in the middle of a bridge. This is insane to me. Look, just made it to Illinois though. I don't know what she doing. Y'all, this is crazy. Don't mind me. Eating my chips. Woo. That's crazy. Wow, I didn't even think they could do no stuff like that. Like, I know they have to work on the bridges and stuff, but y'all just need to close the bridge down and let people go around. I've never heard of, or I've never even seen them having to do work on the bridge at in the middle of it, over top of the Mississippi River. That's some new stuff right there. Ooh, that was scary, y'all. I do not like bridges. Like, I just be praying to get over them things. And I just was sitting on there. I was about to lose my mind because, you know, when you drive, when the other cars are driving by and I'm just sitting still, it's like rocking me. That was terrible.